Took a quick 3-day trip to Lazy Days RV just outside of Tampa, Florida with Dick this week. He and Lynn purchased a new Lance trailer and he needed a hand picking it up and installing his Hensley hitch. We drove down, spent the night at Hampton Inn, showed up at Lazy Days the following morning bright and early, rushed them along, got the hitch hooked up, drove that night almost to Georgia. I thought we were going to spend the night at the Army Corps of Engineers Park in Lake Seminole, but we were in for a little surprise. We got up the next morning and completed the round trip to my house. A fast 3 days. So this is where you check day of delivery check-in. Your adventure begins here. It's quite the operation. Insurance agencies.
Pardon me?
You can get your insurance here.
Yeah.
Accessories, service pavilion over in the next building. Well, Leo's taking us around in the golf cart to the RV.
We've got 238 service bays here. 196 technicians.
Wow. I saw the sign said this is the largest
It is the world's largest.
publicly traded on NASDAQ.
This past year became public. Now, this area here, this is something we do that's different than anybody else's, because this is where you'll spend the night in it once it goes through PDI, okay? And make sure everything's working.
632.
1256, this is it.
This is the guy?
Yep.
Well, Lynn, here's your new trailer. And I get to sleep in it before you. It's got a slide. Smells new. Well, they haven't been in to clean it up yet.
No.
That's not good.
Bedroom. Nice cabinetry.
Yeah, you gotta watch that video of
How they put them together.
yeah.
TV up here and
We gotta be back in Michigan on tomorrow night.
Yeah, I understand. I guess there was a misunderstanding. I just said I was going to go out and get it in the shop. I didn't know that, and I have got it scheduled to go in there. As big as this place is, you know, and I told him it's a rush. So, but we're working on that now to get it in the shop. There's not much to, this is not like a motorhome. It's not that much to check out, you know.
Right.
the slide gives it quite a bit of room.
Yeah. For a small trailer, this is a lot of
Yeah.
living area.
Yeah, it is. This is what, 23 or 25?
It's 20,
20.
23 and 3/4, I think.
Just about 25. Huh? 23.75, yeah. Nice trailer.
Yeah.
And the main street is the cafeteria. These are all sales offices. He says they're pumping out about 500 units a month. Okay, thanks, Leo.
You're very welcome. Nice to meet you.
And the accessory department at Lazy Days. They've got some stuff. These are kind of cool. Little tricycles. And guess what? They're on sale. $2,300. Won't be leaving with any tricycles. Coleman grills. Yeah, like an RVer's candy store. I'll be busy for a while. See you later. After Dick completed all the paperwork with the finance person at Lazy Days, they graciously allowed us to install the Hensley hitch while the technicians were going through the trailer, assuring that everything worked, and the cleaning crew was cleaning the interior. It took us about 3 hours to install the hitch, and we were back on the road about 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We hope to get up to about the Alabama line and spend the night, and then complete the trip the following day. I left Tampa yesterday and tried to make it up to the Army Corps of Engineers Park in Lake Seminole. Actually, I think it's just inside of Georgia, or the lake's inside of Georgia, but it's Chattahoochee, just outside of Chattahoochee, Florida. Unfortunately, we got here at 10:15 and they had the gates already shut. So this was our home for the night, just outside the gates. A little turnaround. Little sticky sleeping last night, but what are you gonna do? It is what it is. So we're back on the road this morning, headed home. So we'll be home sometime this afternoon. So if you're gonna stop at the Army Corps, remember that they lock up at 10 o'clock and they're not about to let you in. So be there before 10. Don't know if I want to do it again real soon, but whirlwind trip down to Tampa and back. I think they're going to be happy with it. Okay, Dick and Lynn, we're all set up for some big time camping adventures. How about Texas in January and Yellowstone next September?